Namaskar. The name of our project is PC to PC communication using FSK modulator and acoustic coupling. The main objectives are digital data transfer from one PC to another PC, use of existing laboratory instruments in an unusual manner, then use of FSK modulator and demodulator as a modem. The outline of this project is a file or data from one PC can be transferred to another PC in serial form by using hyperterminal and USB to TTL converter. The purpose of design of this experiment is to study the basic technical concepts of interfacing analog ICs and electronic circuits with PC. We are going to see the use of USB to TTL converter serial data transmission of PC, use of hyperterminal, and understanding the concept of acoustic coupling for data transfer. Now the requirement of components and devices for this project. So for transferring the data between two computers, we require a number of computers 2, then FSK modulator using IC 555. Then FSK demodulator using IC 565. Okay, so separate circuit is there, circuit diagram is given afterwards. So for FSK modulator, one diagram, circuit diagram, and for FSK demodulator, another circuit diagram using IC 565. For FSK modulator, IC 555. Okay, so then IC 741 is used for amplification of signal. It is used as an amplifier. Then USB to TTL connectors for serial data transmission, then speaker of 5 watt and condenser mic, and then software hyperterminal or teraterm. With the help of this block diagram, I can explain the working principle of our project. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to transfer the message from one computer to a second computer. Okay, and in between that we have connected to the output of this first computer USB to TTL converter, then FSK modulator, then speaker, then near to the speaker we have kept mic, then this mic connection is made to the FSK demodulator, and then FSK demodulator is connected to personal computer using USB to TTL converter. Okay, now the working principle. First type the message, some message on the hyperterminal of first computer. Then this message will be given serially using USB to TTL converter to FSK modulator. The FSK modulator output will consist of two frequencies, one high and other one is low. So this output is given to the speaker. Speaker will convert electrical signal into audio signal and this audio signal will be given to mic kept near to the speaker. This mic is connected to FSK demodulator, okay, and the output of FSK demodulator is given to the this personal computer. So FSK demodulator will again demodulate the signal received, electrical signal received from the mic. It will demodulate it and will recover the original signal, and it will be given to the hyper terminal of first computer, and message will be displayed here. So one can see the same block diagram is represented in the pictorial form here. This is first computer, then FSK modulator, then speaker is connected to the this intercom is taken here for connecting the speaker signal from one place to another place. If we have kept computer to in the another room, then we can keep this receiver here near the near the speaker, and then this signal will be transferred from one telephone to other telephone in another room, and then these other telephones signal, audio signal can be given to the mic, and mic will be connected to the FSK demodulator, and it will be connected to the another computer like this. Okay, instead of directly placing the two computers in one room, this is the alternative arrangement. You can increase the distance between the two PCs by using the intercom. Okay, so this is the additional thing. Here is the circuit diagram for FSK modulator and demodulator, and in total you can say the modem of our project. Okay, so FSK modulator is constructed using IC 555 in the stable mode, and here is the FSK demodulator constructed using IC 565. Okay, so at the output of this FSK modulator, two frequencies will be generated, one high frequency, another one is low frequency, depending on the signal received from the computer here. Okay, so similarly, at the output of FSK demodulator, you will be getting the two outputs depending on the frequencies received from this FSK modulator. So two output will be high voltage and low voltage. Okay, here are the main working features of the circuit diagram. The resistors RA, RB and capacitor C determines the frequency of the FSK modulated signal in the unstable mode of operation. FSK will give frequency of 1070 Hz when input is high and frequency of 1270 Hz when the input is low. FSK demodulator. The output of the FSK demodulator will be high, that is 14 volt, when the input frequency is 1070 Hz. The output will be driven to low state, that is minus 5 volt, if the input frequency was 1270 Hz. Input frequency is 1270 Hz. IC741 is connected to amplify the output signal. Here is the breadboard implementation of the circuit. I have done is with the help of student group, and this is the actual final hardware implementation. Here are the circuits: FSK modulator, demodulator, and these are the two computers. And it was working very fine. This is a very innovative project, and we did it for the final year project. So I can say that you can also implement it at your end in your college for the student group. I express my sincere thanks to Dr. S.S. Limaye for his valuable guidance, and I also acknowledge the group of students who made it possible the hardware implementation of this project. Now here is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. I hope that you will try to implement this project in your college. So thank you very much. So dear friends, happy learning, best of luck.